What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove or enable the SIM card's PIN code on your iPhone. This feature is essential for enhancing the security of your mobile data, ensuring that only you can access your SIM card information. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, navigate to Mobile Service or Cellular, depending on your iOS version. Next, select the SIM card for which you'd like to enable or disable the SIM card's PIN. At the bottom of the page, tap on SIM PIN. When making changes to the setting, you will likely be asked to enter your current SIM card PIN. After entering your PIN, you can toggle the SIM PIN option to enable or disable it. Additionally, if you want to change your SIM PIN, you can do so by selecting the Change PIN option below. Enabling the SIM PIN adds an extra layer of security. Even if someone steals your phone, they cannot use your SIM card without the PIN. On the other hand, disabling the SIM PIN means you won't need to enter the PIN each time you restart your phone or swap the SIM card to another device. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.